Setting up Microsoft Authenticator app is a straightforward way to enhance your security of your online accounts. You're going to begin by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and installing it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, you're going to open and choose the option to add an account. You can add a Microsoft account, which is ideal for personal and work-related services, or you can link other accounts from supported services like Google or Facebook. For Microsoft accounts, you're going to sign in with your credentials. Once signed in, you're going to go to security settings of your account and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and during this process, the service will show you a QR code. You're going to open the Microsoft Authenticator app, tap the option to add an account, and then scan the QR code displayed on the website. Okay, so this is going to it's going to securely link your account with the app. Now, for other services like Gmail or your workplace login, okay, follow similar steps. The service will provide a QR code or a secret key which you can enter into the app. So after linking your account, the app is going to generate time-sensitive codes. So whenever you log into these services, you're going to need to enter another code from the Authenticator app alongside your password, adding an extra layer of security to your online accounts.